Hello everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. So today's topic is the attributes of number three. All right. So my name is Dr. Akshita. Today's affirmation for the number three. That's a let's spread joy. All right. Now, what is the background of number three? A man is a threefold creature that having the mind, body, and soul. Okay. Likewise, every system has a first, middle, and the last part. Okay, the first name, the middle name, or the last name. Okay, that is a family name. So the three was considered is the first perfect number. Three is a number of the Jupiter, and Jupiter is a teacher of the all the students. All right. So three is also called the Dev Guru. Okay, the Guru of Devas. So Pythagoras called three is the one and the two, meaning a limited expression of the both one and two. Okay, when you add these number, it becomes two. So they have the quality of the one and two that combine together and become three, and the number of the talents because three is a creative principle in the Godhead. Okay, and the number of the self-expression, the artist and the entertainer. Okay, now the three does not want to think about the organization, but do as it gives a joy and happiness. And three wants fun in their work, sometimes not work, they are not happy with their work, and they make a lot of money through their joyful skills only. What is the background of the 12 3? So, the words for the creative principle, the day, sex, and the commerce. If we relate with the sex, they will be a dermatologist, okay, the sexual reproduction and all that, and they like the daytime instead of the nights and the mornings. They like the mornings as well, but mostly let's come to the background of the 21 21st 3. Okay, so the 21 is the mystical number of the cosmic consciousness. It is a renewal of mind and the body and using them to express the creativity. The 21 3 is a verbally very, very expressive. And the words that have 21 as their root are when, actors, salesmen, women, and Bible. The piece, when you calculate this, it comes 21 3. So negative expression of the 21 in the following 21 words, the lustful, okay, fool, or the wild, evil, envy, fear, glib, and sincere. Uh, Glib, that is an unsincere, yeah. Insincere person who are not sincere in their work. Okay, but they are using some kind of the words which is very clever or like in a quick manner. Okay, sneaky, a person who behaves in a very secret way, in a dishonest way. Beastly, same thing, vile, unpleasant, and the clumsy, the ugly or artless person. So, if the negative persons own, they become very clumsy, artless, no creativity, unpleasant, okay, and the dishonest, and also not sincere, fearful, envy, they feel hate towards others, evil, vile, unpleasant, or they become vile. So the 30, now the background of the 33 is 3 is filled with the artistic talents and expression. It is the God power of the cipher behind the 3 of the self-expression. It represents the completion of the project's celebration and happiness. Birth, family, happy, humor, kindly, serene, sociable, strong, thankful, uplift are the words. Okay. And the root total of the ensign is a 3. All right. Sometimes why we do the numerology calculation because of the client's interest, or sometimes it affects our planetary position also. Like 3 is ruled by the Jupiter, so if it is weak, then you will get the unwanted things which you do not accept. Since three has a way with words, both spoken or the written, so they are very good at the speaking or the the verbal skills or the written skills. The cipher following it will intensify those qualities. I also rule by number three. My destiny number is 3. Okay, when you 18. 9, 90, 92. When you will add all these digits, it comes 3. So my destiny number is 3. So I'm good at writing and uh, verbal skills, both. Doctor, lawyer, lecturer, right, savior. Okay, they have the 3 number. Okay, the savior master number is 33. Now, background of the 303, a musical sound that is pleasant to the ear is a chord. Okay, the chord words amethyst also 3. So 3 likes chords, musics, and the amethyst, the purple color, indigo color, amethyst or gold. So they like to listen the music. They like to see the amethyst gemstone, to wear the gemstone. What is the background of the 39, 12, 3? The 39 is loving and caring. It desires to give the loving service and help make the world a better place. It is very easygoing. The 9 represents the humanity and its emotions, feelings, and love of life, expressing itself, and which the 3, which is a happiness, joy, using one's talent to express the life at the fullest. Okay, so here is positive 39 words, the friends, gentleness, humanity. They believe in the friendship only. They like to make the friends, gentleness, humanitarian nature, the quietude, a state of the calmness. They like to be in a solitude or a very calm environment. Refined, romantic, at the heart, the wedding. Okay, they like to attend the wedding, so like they like wedding, and they are like writers. They love to write. Okay, to make the generals and all that. The negative 39 use words to hurt the people, the critical, the disgrace, embarrass. Okay, sometimes they often disgrace themselves by making a, you know, by making a funny video or by saying some words. Like I, for an example, I also disgrace myself by making a funny video on my channel. All right. So malicious. Then there are the negative 39 words describing actions that do not harm, that is a corrupt. Okay. Sometimes they become corrupt, foolish, and a slaughter. So 3, 39, 12, 3. So this is my date of birth, the destiny number 3. So 3 is, you can see my nature. I like to be a friend of others. All these are my positive traits, and this is a negative traits. Okay, let's come to the 48, 12, 3. 48 is a number of the searching for the satisfaction and finding the material success. It needs to be the balanced by the spiritual. What's beneficial, satisfying, and metaphysics, or the patriotic and the diplomatic. Background of the ability. Okay, we can say intellectual or intelligent. Background of the 57, 12, 3. The 57 will work hard to make the negative conditions better. It understands the people's problems and knows how to seek their help. The words for them, perfection, the reverential, okay, the respectful person, and cooperative, omnipotence, the all almighty, powerful, divine one, the prevention, the negative 57 will criticize, needs corrections, and it is often negligent. Okay, so this is the traits of the words for the number 3. Background of the 75, 12, and 3. The 75 accept the challenges. It wants to do things right. It doesn't get down to basics like 1, 2, 3 in order to succeed. Okay, okay, they directly upstairs, like that. They're free fighters. 1113. The negative 75 may fail due to the procrastination. They strive, stress, and the strain all begin with the STR. Okay, 12, 3. Now let's come to the traits of number 3. The overall attributes of the number 3. The positive, very artistic, attractive, charming, good imagination, cheerful, creative, enthusiastic, expressive, gift of a gab. It's a kind of the idiom. Okay, the ability to speak very nicely, easily, and confidently. Now, good at the writing. Okay, they write so many books, articles, publications, and all that. Good host and hostesses, and the good sense of humor. Optimistic, they always be like a optimistic. Outgoing person, they like singing, chords, sociable, speaking, skills, talented, and so for them the life is like a party. They enjoy to do parties. Okay. So what are the negative traits of the number three? All right. So number three negative traits are they get bored very easily, critical of others, they do criticize others, they dislike the responsibility, exaggerate, exaggerate and the heads work, wants only fun, impulsive in nature, jealous sometimes, moody, scattered, self-centered, and when wasteful, wears too much makeup or gaudy clothes, okay, and the worry what. So um they like to be wear the makeup. They like to take a they like to wear the makeup. Okay, they some three numbers are into the aesthetics also. Okay. What is the destructive side of the number three? Cowardice, deep jealousy, dual personality. Okay, yes, I have a dualism philosophy. Okay, sometimes people call it hum do, hamare do, or like the Radha Krishna or the Krishna or Rama. Okay, Radha Krishna, the dualism, the Kumara Sampradaya philosophy in the humanity, in a Vaishnavism. Okay, sorry. Greedy, hatred, hypocrite, intolerant, huge, hurtful words, and the three is male and active person. Okay, so three is the guru of the all the devas. So if you see someone's kundali or the horoscope, if you find the Dev Gana, that means their guru is three number. All right, if they make the other gurus, it doesn't work. In most cases it doesn't work. So make your guru take initiation very carefully. That's why the people often say, please so mostly people ask that, like, my work is not getting done, whom should I choose as my guru? Okay, the spiritual guru or like that. So first, open your kundli, make your kundli, and do check the gana. Okay, if you belong to the Dev Gana, that means your guru will be number three. Okay, so the traits of at the workplace. Okay, traits of number three at the workplace. In the workplace, a number three is observed to be a very obedient and a sincere employee. They expect and appreciate the punctuality from the everyone, so they like to be a punctual around them, especially their subordinates. They appear to be very soft and generous people, and however they have no interest in helping others by going out of their way. Okay, so they build the mean friendship sometimes, not every time, but yeah, mean friendships, and are more involved in the achieving their own desires. Their ego stops them from taking the help from anyone. Okay, they do not like to take help from anybody, but three are very determined, and they do not hold back when it comes to the hard work. So they are very hardworking. Like me, I'm also making a PPT for a video session for you. So three proceed towards their goal step by step. Three manipulate and they get things in their favor. They are finally very able to achieve whatever they set their eyes on. The first impression of the number three is a very generous, pleasing to the eye, and they appear to be a very decent and the friendly person. All right. So next, the Jupiter is a planet of the expansion, and it is an indicator of the prosperity, and it is also known as a Dev Guru, with the notion that it is considered to be a teacher, the professors, and the principal. You will see number three people, teacher, professor, or a principal, who removes the ignorance and the darkness and offers the wisdom by throwing their light. It represents the Satogun. Okay, Satogun, one of the best habits of the Brahmins, Hindus. They do not take the who do not take the non-veg. So pearls are known to promote the calmness or the intuition, okay? Because three number people also egoistic or aggressive in nature. That's why we suggest that wear the pearl, or yeah, carry a pearl in your purse or in your pocket. Wear a silver nose pin if you are a female. Okay, earring. Sometimes now, like it's a kind of a fashion. Like men's also wear the nose pin. Donate the clothes to the physically disabled or the old people. Wear yellow sapphire gemstone. I already said that the golden color is yellow color is very lucky for the number three. Do auspicious work in the northeast direction, which is known as the Ishana Kona. Okay, this direction is considered highly sacred and auspicious after the south. Okay, that is the second most auspicious direction. for number 3 people. So northeast, Ishan Kong. Install the Siddha Shri Venus Yantra Shukra Yantra and use the 30th number for any auspicious work. Okay. When it comes to 3 or like the 30, or like for your business meeting, for your vehicle, for your mobile phones, you can use number 3, and you can also live in a number 3 city like in Rajasthan, Banswara city, Jaipur also. Okay. When you count Jaipur, Jaipur's name number, okay, as per the Pythagorean method, you will get the number 3. Okay. So you can live if you belong to number 3. Like I also live in Jaipur city. Okay. In Delhi, you can live in a South Delhi. In Maharashtra, you can live in a East Mumbai, and so on and so forth. Okay. As per the client's um, requirement, we do the calculations. Okay. So number 2 is tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.